Hello everyone and welcome back to the L.A. DIYs. Today I'm going to be making a jean dress out of my overalls. Let's get started. Alright, so if you would like to make one of your own, you will need a pair of jeans or overalls. I am also going to be making a jean skirt, but for this video I'm just going to do the overalls. And then I've got a hot glue gun, which I'll be using for my embellishments, and I've got these little beads and colorful sequins and like ribbons and glue. But I think I might just use the hot glue. Then I've got scissors. And then in here, it's really a mess in here. But I've got an embroidery hoop, I've got thread, needles, scrap fabric. Yeah. See, there's a needle, there's still some thread. I'm just gonna take it off on this side. I'm gonna have to figure out somewhere to put this. But the first thing you're gonna wanna do is measure the length that you wanna cut it off at. So let me see. That's where the hips are. So I'm gonna cut mine like right here. So I'm gonna make a mark and then I'm gonna cut it off on both sides. Then you have to cut open under it like that. And then I'll get back to you guys after I've done that. Alright, so I finished cutting off the bottoms. Now I just gotta cut off the inside right here. And then I'll be back. Alright, I've cut in the middle. I was looking to see if I had a piece of fabric or something that was big enough to go in between here like this. I think I have a piece for the front. This might be good enough. It would have to go like it. Yeah, probably like that. And then put the fabric. I can look and see if I have more fabric, but I don't know. I might do fabric, or I might just overlap it, and then it'll be just kind of like a tight mini skirt. I think I'm gonna overlap it in the back and put a piece of fabric in the front, so it's still kind of big. So I'm gonna come back after I've put the fabric in. Whatever. I felt like I should check up with you guys. I decided to just use the pants from the fabric from the jeans. So right now I'm in the middle of sewing this on. Then after I finish sewing it on, I'm just going to cut off the extra. And then yeah, so time to finish this up. So I finished sewing up the front. It actually looks really nice. It's rainbow. There's a little that's messed up right here. It's okay. I'm gonna just hot glue it down. Okay, now I think I might try to like cut some shapes out of this rainbow fabric I have and put it on here. And then I think I'm just gonna hot glue it in the back because I don't feel like sewing again. And then after that I'll get back to you guys and then we'll discuss embellishments. Alright, so for the back I just decided to hot glue it because I do not feel like stitching it up right now. But I'll probably get back to it and stitch it up later. But it's hot glue. The front looks cooler than the back does. But I'm gonna add some rainbow embellishment stuff to it. And then I'll get back to you guys. And also on the front, I just did some little rainbow hearts. So I'll get back to you guys after I put some stuff in the back and show you guys where I'll be positioning my other embellishments. Alright everyone, it's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next time. L.A. DIYs out.